Hey guys, you're back on Concept Soup. We're talking about another PC quick tip. So you may be in a position where you have loads of USB 2 devices. You know, you're thinking things like Bluetooth, you're thinking about things like Corsair RGB hubs, but you don't have enough headers on your motherboard to fit them all. So one solution is obviously to buy like a USB splitter like you wanted to see on the screen, or that NZXT one that's floating around as well. But that's obviously an extra expense, and sometimes these can be a little bit flaky. So what we can actually do is rewire the plugs to fit two USB 2 plugs onto one header. So the example we're using today is the NZXT Kraken liquid cooler pump, because that uses a USB 2, and also the Bluetooth part of this U-bit PCIe Wi-Fi card, because obviously the Wi-Fi bit is done straight through the motherboard, but the Bluetooth is done via USB 2, so it comes with another cable for that. The only thing you're going to need is a small blade screwdriver like this. This is the iFixit kit. It is linked in the description if you want to pick one up. But you could also use probably like, you know, a kitchen knife or something if you're careful. So look at this USB plug. So this is obviously what you plug into your motherboard header. See that there are 8 holes, but only 4 of them are actually wired in. So there's actually 4 holes free. Technically 5, but the 5th one is actually left blank. We can combine 2 of these together to share the same header because we've got space to fit them in. Just know that if your device's plug has all 8 holes filled with cables, that you're obviously not going to be able to do this because you can't combine them if it's already got 8 filled. So what we're going to do is take your flathead screwdriver, and we're going to use that to just pull back on the plastic tabs on each of the plugs, and then you can slip the cables out. Now you take those cables and you push them firmly into the other plug, you know, with the spare holes in it. Make sure you match up the colors, so the red should go to the red, white to white, green to green, and black to black. If you don't put them in the corresponding holes, it's just not going to work. So make sure you put those in properly. Make sure you push them in firmly so they're nice and secure. And now all you have to do is, because you've now got these 2 cables into one, you just plug the one plug into the motherboard, and there you go. Hey, presto, that is finished. And you can see in Device Manager now, on this PC that we're testing this out on, we've got both the Kraken and we've also got the Bluetooth connectivity as well. It's all showing up in Device Manager, which shows this method actually does work really nicely. Saves you buying those little hubs. So hopefully that's a really helpful tip. I use this all the time, and it is a golden tip. So if you like the video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, Abadirchi! This video is brought to you in partnership with JCPCCustoms.com, purveyors of fine gaming PCs. But why buy from JCPC Customs? There are 3 pillars to what we do: enthusiast grade build quality, stunning good looks that you are proud to display, and all at a fair price. But how do you get your hands on one? Well, we've got 3 methods. We have the ready to go PC section. These are PCs that are already built, ready to ship out with optimized specifications. So excellent for the most fuss-free experience. For those that want to spec out themselves, you can use our Configurator listing, and this is where you can choose some lists of parts that we have available to us. But for the most granular experience, the truly custom experience, you can use our custom spec service, and this is where you fill out our Google form. You can choose every component, even down to the model number, and any other accoutrements that you also want with the PC can be accommodated here. So thank you very much for watching, and head to jcpccustoms.com to learn more. Wait, don't go to it just yet. Quick one, I've got a discount code for you for jcpccustoms.com. Use code YTFREE at checkout. You get free shipping on anything on the website. That includes PCs, so that's like a £30 saving right there. Anyway, on with your regularly scheduled content.